We are looking at how to pronounce this Latin phrase, as well as how to say more interesting and related expressions and words from Latin as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This means the lamp of God. Agnus. Agnus is how it is said in Latin. You do want to pronounce the G there. Agnus, some might say it as Agnus, but do not say Agnus, but rather Agnus Dei. Agnus Dei. This is also a musical composition by Samuel Barber. Agnus Dei. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting phrases from Latin, including from the Agnus Dei, as well as how to say more biblical words and names. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.